Having trouble with recovery mode on your iPhone or iPad? Whether it fails to activate or gets stuck, this video will cover the causes and solutions to help fix the issue and get your device back to normal. Part 1. Why is my iPhone recovery mode not working? Reasons your iPhone or iPad might not enter recovery mode. Software error. Update iOS. Cable fault. Use an official Apple cable. iTunes issue. Update and check iTunes settings. Let's fix it. Part 2. How to fix iPhone or iPad recovery mode not working. Fix 1. Update iTunes to the latest version. For macOS Catalina or later, go to System Preferences, Software Update, and click Update Now. For iTunes, open the App Store Updates and click Update. Fix 2. Force restart your iPhone 8 or later. Press Volume plus Volume, then hold side button until logo appears. iPhone 7/7 Plus. Hold volume and side button until logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds or earlier or iPad with home button. Hold side and volume plus buttons until logo appears. Fix 3. Fix iPhone recovery mode not working with iTunes alternative. If iTunes still can't fix the recovery mode issue, you may want to try iOS system recovery. As an alternative, this tool is designed to handle a variety of system-related issues on iPhone and iPad. Step 1. Select the iOS System Recovery option. Install and launch iOS System Recovery on your computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad using a USB data cable. Open the program and navigate to More Tools iOS System Recovery from the main menu. Step 2. Select Standard Mode. Follow the on-screen prompts and select Standard Mode to fix the issue without losing any data. Click Confirm, and the software will automatically detect your device model and display the appropriate firmware options. Step 3. Download firmware. Press the Download button to get the firmware needed to fix the recovery mode issue. Step 4. Fix the iPhone recovery mode issue. After a few minutes, your device will restart with the new firmware. You can now manually enter recovery mode on your iPhone or iPad again. Fix 4. Restore in DFU mode with iTunes. Update iTunes and connect your iPhone. Enter DFU mode, press volume up, volume down, then hold power. iTunes detects recovery mode. Click OK and select Restore iPhone. Fix 5. Check Apple mobile device USB driver. Press Windows plus R, type devmont misc, and click OK. Expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Find and verify Apple mobile device USB driver. Fix 6. Contact Apple support. Part 3. How to put iPhone into recovery mode step-by-step guide. Connect your iPhone via Lightning cable. Open iTunes Windows or Finder Mac. Force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button. In recovery mode, select Restore or Update in iTunes or Finder.